Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing a front door speaker install on this 2003 Ford Ranger. In this install, we're going to show you how to remove the factory door panel and speaker and replace it with an aftermarket 6x8. Let's get started. Now the first thing that we need to do is remove a couple of screws in the door that's securing it here. There's 2 screws in the handle, as well as one down here. First and foremost, let's get those removed. Okay, so with those screws removed, let's go ahead and carefully remove this. There's one more back behind it. You'll see a Phillips there as well. Okay, with those removed, just go ahead and give it a push up. Should lift up and off. There's no clips holding it in. They're all little tabs. Okay, there's our door panel. Let's go ahead and remove it out of the way. Now you can disconnect your harnesses off your switch panel here, but it just fits through the door and you can just leave them be. It gives us plenty of space to go ahead and remove the speaker here out of the door. It's this factory 6x8 and they are bolts. Let's go ahead and get them out. Okay, so there's our factory speaker here. Again, it's a 6x8 from the factory. We're going to use a 6mm on there to go ahead and remove all 4 screws. Then we'll disconnect the harness from the speaker. Alright, so with the factory speaker removed, at this point let's head over to our makeshift bench here. Since we're on location and not in the typical shop, we're going to show you the speaker that we're going to go with, as well as the wiring harness adapter to plug right into the factory harness. Alright, so here at our bench, the speakers that we're going to go with are just these very basic factory speaker replacements. These are by Crunch Audio. Essentially here, these are 5x7s or 6x8s. They should fit both. Comes with a mid-range and tweeter all-in-one as a coaxial. On the back here, you have your terminals here. Now to make sure that these can easily be accommodated in the door with the wiring there, we've picked up these wiring harness adapters by Metra. Now these harnesses are the Metra 72-5600. We bought a package off Amazon. It came in 2 pairs because we're doing both front and rear speakers. But essentially here, these are keyed to fit right on the terminals here in the back. As we plug those on in, these plug into the factory plug-in the doors, and these bolt right up to the same location using the factory hardware. So let's go ahead and get our harness on our speaker and head back and get these installed. Alright, so these should plug straight on up to the factory harness here. Just like so. And you should bolt up right to that same location. Okay, yep, bolts right up to the factory location. Again, generally 5x7 or 6x8s fit these doors. This is advertised more so as a 5x7, but again, it bolts straight on up, which is awesome. Let's go ahead and give it a quick test to make sure everything works, and then reassemble the door panel. Alright, so with everything working, let's go ahead and reassemble the door panel. Alright, so that's about it for this install. If you're wondering how to do the passenger side, it's basically the same process, just a mirror image. If you like what you saw, be sure to hit that like button Don't forget to subscribe. We post great content here on the channel all the time, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.